That's pretty cool, right? And then you got the mode. See? Chasing LED. Color rainbows. Kind of switching on and off. And another one right there. My personal favorite, chasing LED. There's another one. And there's another one right there. Another one. Another feature. And of course, once you turn the bright light on, you really can't see it. So as you can see, this can easily be taken out from this bezel using this, unscrewing these screws. And then in terms of mounting it on the wall or putting it somewhere, it's pretty simple enough. So what I'll do is I'll unplug this. And I will also unplug this. So now we got this right here, which I'm gonna set right here. And then I'm gonna show you this back so you can see how that thing is mounted there. So right over here, I'm gonna take this bracket out, and then this guy right here, and then this guy right here. Oops. And then it comes off completely. So now you can mount this on the wall, just flat like that, but mount it in there, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to mount this right here. So normally what I would do is I would turn it this way, and then I would do this guy in here. See how easy that was? And then I would turn this around, and then screw this one next. So there you have it. See, it'll still turn. But if you tighten it up, it's gonna be harder to turn. So, loosen it up. What I done in here is I have put in just two small screws over here, and I'm gonna hang the iPad. Now, you notice like earlier I said it was really simple to mount. I mean, there's 4 holes in here. You can just mount it in these 2 right here. And like I said, there's easier way to do this. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it'll tilt down, it'll tilt up. See? It's pretty easy. So, tilt down, iPad. So, this is pretty much the iPad solutions. Photobooth. Photobooth. Start. See, you can make. All right, let's stop this.